Have you ever felt a strange, tingling pain run through your legs when you stand up? Or been jolted awake in the middle of the night by leg cramps stretching from your calves down to the soles of your feet? These aren't just minor discomforts. For many people over 60, they're early signs of something more serious, underlying conditions like muscle loss, arthritis, nerve compression, or poor circulation that gradually weaken the legs over time. And the danger isn't just the pain itself. These issues increase the risk of falls, reduce balance and mobility, and quietly chip away at your independence. Even more concerning, there's one hidden cause that silently drains strength from your legs every single day, and most people don't recognize it until they find themselves relying on a cane. In this video, I'll guide you through 6 of the most common causes of persistent leg pain in older adults. More importantly, I'll show you how to address each one naturally and safely so you can regain strength, reduce discomfort, and keep your legs steady and strong for years to come. If leg pain after 60 is something you care about, either for yourself or someone you love, leave a comment with the number 1. That way, I'll know this topic matters to you, and I'll continue creating valuable content to support your health. Cause 1, chronic leg pain. For many seniors, leg pain doesn't come all at once. It builds slowly. It might begin with stiffness in the calves, a dull soreness after a short walk, or a burning ache that appears out of nowhere. Gradually, it becomes a constant presence, especially in the mornings or after long periods of sitting. This kind of pain is often dismissed as a natural part of aging. But in reality, chronic leg pain is usually the result of other factors: inflammation in the muscles, mild tissue degeneration, or a lack of movement that causes connective tissues to tighten. The good news is that a simple daily habit can bring real relief. Gentle stretching, just 5 minutes when you wake up and 5 minutes before bed, can relax tight muscles, ease pressure in the joints, and restore flexibility to your legs. It's a small change, but one that can make a real difference. Still, not all leg pain comes from the muscles or joints. In the next section, we'll explore a surprising cause that many people overlook, and it might be the answer you've been searching for. Cause 2, poor circulation. Do your legs often feel cold, numb, or heavy? Do you get cramps at night that wake you up, especially in your feet or calves? These may not just be signs of aging. They can be early warnings of poor circulation, one of the most overlooked causes of leg pain in older adults. When blood doesn't flow properly to your legs, your muscles are starved of oxygen and essential nutrients. Over time, this leads to aching during movement, slow recovery after activity, and that constant dragging sensation in your lower limbs. According to the U.S. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, poor circulation is a leading factor behind reduced mobility and increased fall risk in seniors. But you don't need major lifestyle changes to improve it. Start small. Take a gentle 15 to 20-minute walk each morning. Elevate your legs while resting. Use a warm towel or heating pad on your calves in the evening to encourage blood flow. And try adding circulation-friendly foods like ginger, garlic, and salmon to your meals. These are not drastic changes, they're simple, manageable habits. And they can breathe new life into tired legs, helping them feel lighter, warmer, and more responsive again. Still, not all leg pain is about blood flow. Sometimes, the problem lies deeper within your joints themselves. Cause 3, arthritis pain. Have you noticed that standing for long periods, walking upstairs, or getting out of a chair brings pain to your knees, ankles, or hips? That nagging stiffness could be more than just wear and tear. It may be arthritis, a common yet often misunderstood source of leg pain after 60. Many older adults believe that rest is the best remedy. But in reality, inactivity can make things worse. The longer your joints stay still, the stiffer and more inflamed they become. And while painkillers may offer temporary relief, they often mask the root cause, leading to side effects like stomach problems, liver strain, or even long-term dependence. The better path? Try natural and gentle solutions. Apply a warm compress to sore joints for 15 minutes each night. Add anti-inflammatory foods to your meals, such as salmon, turmeric, broccoli, and olive oil. Even light massage using lavender or peppermint oil can ease inflammation and support better movement. With arthritis, the goal is not to stop moving, it's to move wisely and consistently. And once you do, your legs can regain both flexibility and strength. By the way, if you'd like to explore these topics in more depth, I've created a dedicated playlist called Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP. Tips? You'll find simple routines, what to avoid, and natural remedies for leg pain, all tailored to older adults. You'll find the link in the description or the comments section. Now, what if your pain isn't in the muscles or even the joints? What if it's coming from somewhere else entirely, like your nerves? Cause 4, nerve compression. Not all leg pain begins in the legs themselves. If you've ever felt a tingling sensation that runs from your hip down to your foot, or a strange numbness in just one leg, you might be experiencing nerve compression, a serious yet frequently misdiagnosed condition after age 60. Nerve compression happens when spinal nerves get pinched, often from poor posture, long-term sitting, or a herniated disc. This pressure can block normal nerve signals, leading to reduced sensation, delayed reaction times, muscle weakness, and increased risk of falling. Carol, a retired teacher from San Diego, thought her symptoms were just back pain spreading to the leg. But after months of ignoring the signs, her right leg weakened so much she needed a cane. It wasn't until she adjusted her posture, started doing light morning yoga, and supported her lower back properly that she regained her balance and her independence. So, if your legs feel numb, tingly, or simply slow to respond, listen to your body. Review how you sit, how you sleep, and how you move. And introduce gentle, low-impact exercises designed to protect your spine and reduce nerve pressure, especially those made for seniors. Because even the smallest adjustment in daily habits can lead to real relief and restore your confidence step by step. Cause 5, muscle loss. Have you ever felt your legs trembling after a short walk? Or found yourself struggling just to get up from a chair? That quiet weakness could be more than tiredness. It may be muscle loss, a silent but widespread condition affecting millions of older adults. After our 50s, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass unless we take active steps to maintain it. And the effects are far-reaching: reduced balance, lower endurance, and legs that feel unsteady even with simple movements. The problem is, muscle loss often goes unnoticed. Many people over 60 eat regularly but miss out on enough protein. They skip resistance-based exercises. Their sleep is irregular. And without these 3 pillars, nutrition, movement, and rest, muscle strength fades faster than expected. But the solution doesn't require a gym or complex routines. Start small and stay consistent. Eat protein-rich foods like fish, eggs, beans, or yogurt. Begin your day with a few rounds of chair stands. Keep a steady sleep schedule. And just as important, stay positive. Your mindset fuels your recovery just as much as your meals do. It's never too late. Your legs can still regain strength. But you have to start with the right habits, starting today. And here's the surprising part. Even if you're eating well, stretching daily, and staying active, your legs might still feel unusually weak or prone to cramps. Why? Because there's one final cause that many people underestimate, yet it plays a vital role in leg health. Cause 6, vitamin deficiency. Do your legs cramp at night even though you're staying active? Do you feel soreness or fatigue in your legs, even when you're eating healthy? If so, your body might be lacking key vitamins and minerals, a hidden but powerful cause of leg pain after 60. Essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, calcium, and magnesium are critical for muscle function and nerve communication. Without them, your legs may feel sluggish, slow to respond, or cramp more easily, even with the best lifestyle habits. What makes this tricky is how easily nutrient imbalances can go unnoticed. Some people take calcium supplements, but forget vitamin D, which is necessary for absorption. Others think 3 meals a day is enough, but fall short on magnesium from leafy greens, seeds, or seafood. And many skip blood tests, unaware of deficiencies quietly draining their strength. The fix? Let food be your foundation. Start your mornings with a boiled egg. Steam salmon with a few slices of ginger. Add black beans to your soups and top your meals with roasted pumpkin seeds. Sauté spinach or kale with a bit of sesame oil. These simple, wholesome choices nourish your legs from the inside out. You don't need pills, powders, or extreme diets. Just small, intentional changes right from your kitchen can bring remarkable results over time. You don't need anything complicated to care for your legs. You only need clarity, knowing what's causing the pain, and a gentle, consistent plan to rebuild strength, balance, and mobility. A well-balanced meal, a few leg stretches, a short walk each morning. These aren't just routines, they're your path to freedom, independence, and the joy of walking without fear or limitation. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment with the number 9 below. And feel free to share where you're watching from and what kind of leg challenges you're facing. I read every comment, and at the end of this video, I'll share a few simple but highly effective tips just for you. And if you want more practical solutions, you can watch the full playlist Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP Tips. You'll find the link in the description. You deserve to feel strong, supported, and confident every time you take a step.